Hi everybody, and welcome to I Like Cruise Ships, the YouTube channel, and welcome to a new video. Today I'm on board Carnival Dream, and we're going to check out one of the features of the ship here in the passenger corridors. We're going to have a look at the passenger laundrette, or the laundry room. This is one of the laundries that are on the different decks of the ship. So basically each passenger deck has one laundry. This is actually kind of like a public laundry. It's not the one where all the crew members are downstairs, you know, folding linen and things like that. This is where you can actually do your own laundry. We're gonna head it on side and check it out. Okay, let's go. Okay, so I'm actually on deck 2 for this video. We're actually outside cabin 2375. You'll see it right there. And if you have a look just on the ceiling, there's these little sort of illuminated signs. It says laundrette. And on the wall, of course, or on the door, it says laundrette as well. It's a bit of a giveaway. It is a little bit hard to find if you're kind of walking down the corridor not knowing where it is. Each one on each deck of the ship here on the Dream is basically opposite a cabin number. So generally if they're going to reference it and you can't find it, they'll say opposite cabin number 2 something or 1 something or 6 something. This is 2375. This is just the one that I've chosen to do the walk around. So let's head in on side, shall we? So it isn't a big room, but it works, let's say. So let's head on in and check it out. So first thing is it's really cold in here. So if you're doing all your laundry, keep a jacket or a sweater. Because of the dryers or the tumble dryers, they've got additional air conditioning in here, or basically cooling, because the dryers will get a little bit warm. So these are kind of industrial laundry machines that you would see in a public laundrette. So you've got kind of, and this one you've actually got 3 washers. And you've got 6 dryers. So now what you'll notice is they're pretty simple to use. They have the temperature control here, and then you've got the different controls that you can choose: casual, normal, delicate. And then on this side over here, you'll see that the buttons have kind of been eliminated. And then what you actually have is there's actually a control pad over here. You don't use coins physically. You would actually put your sail and sign card right here, and then you actually choose your machine. There's actually instructions right on top. Pretty simple. It says load machine and select cycle. Close the door and input the machine number. So if we actually spin back around right over here, this is actually machine number 4. You can see that right there. And actually for the dryers, you'll see machine number 5. And each number, of course, number 8 over there, number 9. So it says load machine, close the door, key in the number. So we'll go 04 and then enter. And it says there $3. So washing is $3. Press clear, 05, enter, and that's the dryer number 5, and that's also $3. Then you'll insert your card and it'll start the machine up. So washing normally takes about 30 or so minutes. That really depends on the water pressure. And then drying's about 20 or 30 minutes as well. So you can actually choose your drying time right here, but generally 20 or 30 minutes will get it going. There's also a sink here. Of course, this is pretty straightforward if you've got a laundry at home. There's a folding table right here as well. And we come back to a bit of a wider shot here. So you'll see there's quite a bit of space, and there is also a detergent as well. So you really don't have to bring yours from home. There's fabric softener and generally normal washing powder and fabric softener on this side. Again, you just basically put the card in. It's $1.50 and it works, strangely enough. And there is actually one ironing board in this room. I did notice, I came in ahead of time before I filmed it. The actual the ironing board's on a bit of a slant, but you'll make it work. So there's pretty easy to use this. You've got a knob that you turn right there. This one just here. And the light comes on, and that's about it. And just basically iron away. So normally if you're on the first night of the cruise or so, you might want to iron a shirt. So you could come down here, or some pants or a blouse or something. And then you can come do laundry during the cruise. The Dream at the moment is doing 4- and 5-day cruises, so you may not even need to do laundry, but it would be an option. So what do you think, everybody? This is kind of neat. if you didn't know it even existed, and especially if you're coming on a future cruise on Carnival Dream. This is a nice place to have on each of the different passenger corridors on the ship. Okay, that was the review of the laundry here on board the Carnival Dream. I Like Cruise Ships, the YouTube channel. We're on board Carnival Dream for the next 6 months. So we're gonna get lots of videos of the public areas of the ship. We're gonna do some walkarounds of some of the lounges, some of the bars, and some of the facilities on board. So if you haven't subscribed to I Like Cruise Ships, the YouTube channel, click the subscribe button. If you're a follower or subscriber already, thanks for coming back to watch a new video. I have done other videos on other ships on board Carnival Sunrise, on board Carnival Horizon, so check out the playlists. Maybe you just want to look at some videos just generally. And I hope you like this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. You can also maybe share it into your favorite social media platform. Maybe you're in a Facebook group for the Carnival Dream cruises and you find this sort of useful. Yeah. Thanks for watching I Like Cruise Ships, the YouTube channel, and check out some of the other videos in the channel. Thanks everybody. Bye.